We'll come back your way in just a bit. Meanwhile, moving ahead here, the San Diego Automotive Museum is shifting gears, actually hosting a Shifting Gears rally. And here to talk more about it is one of the sponsors, Mr. Brent Wilsey, president of Wilsey Asset Management, and he's sponsoring the event. And in for Lenny is Caitlin Fahey, who Lenny's in a meeting, so you're going to represent the Automotive Museum. Caitlin, because you're here, we're going to start with you. Why don't you tell us what a Shifting Gears rally is all about?
Absolutely. Shifting Gears rally is a fabulous opportunity if you're a car person or you want to learn more about car culture in San Diego. This is the place to go. We're going to have a vibrant route from our Ignite Academy campus in Santee up to Deer Park Auto Museum and Winery in Escondido. There's going to be a poker run along the way.
Yeah, can I stop you there? What is a poker run?
So a poker run is where you get cards at various stops along the route.
And you build your hand that way?
And you build your hand, and whoever has the winning hand at the end gets a fabulous prize.
So it would help to know what deck of cards you're using so you could kind of manipulate that, huh? But I don't want to get any cheaters going. So then this is not like Baja where you're flying through the desert at 1,000 miles an hour. This is more of a hidden
No,
gimlet, right?
This is a leisurely scenic route through San Diego wine country. Safety first, no speeding.
And how many cars do you think you'll attract?
We hope to have about 50 cars there.
Well, how cool is that?
Yeah.
Oh, and I assume, Mr. Wilsey, that's why that gets your attention, right? You want to support this event.
Yeah, I want to support the event. I thought the speed limit was 150 miles an hour.
Maybe for some of your cars.
But no, I mean, I like doing this because, Lenny and Sharon, they do a great job. They're great to work with. And the program Ignite that helps out younger kids. I always like to help out younger kids because I remember being that age, 12, 14, 15. What am I going to do for the rest of my life? The Ignite program really helps them become acclimated to the car industry, how to work on cars. I know they got some great projects that they're working on, so I like doing that. Then also the museum. The museum is just fantastic because I love history. And if you've not been at that museum, you've got to go because they've got so many historical cars there. They've got exotic cars there. It's a great place to go. I mean, Lenny, he's done a great job of turning that museum into a fantastic place to go.
It has been my great fortune to get to know both Sharon and Lenny, and they are certainly doing special work here in San Diego. We're fortunate to rub shoulders with them. So what kind of car do you need to participate, Caitlin?
All vehicles are welcome. We're going to have everything from antiques to classic cars to one of Brett's exotic cars as well.
What are you going to take? What are you going to drive?
The Lamborghini Aventador LP 700.
That's why you're concerned about the speed limit, right?
You're just getting in fourth gear at 160 miles an hour, so.
I know. I mean, come on. All right. So for people who want to participate, what's the entry fee and how do you get involved?
So it's $75 per car. That includes a driver and a passenger. You can register online at our website, which is sdautomuseum.org/rally.
And I mean, so there could be some nice cars there, huh?
There are going to be some very nice cars there. If you're a car person, Saturday, March 29th, that's going to be the place to be.
Wow. Are you going to be behind the wheel, or are you going to be spectating? Are you going to be in the passenger seat?
I'm driving.
I guess no one else drives that, right? I mean, that's your...
Yeah, very few people drive that car, just myself, my mechanic, and actually my son drives it as well, so...
Not a front of at a TV station. You never let that happen, huh?
Yeah, no, I don't think so. Sorry.
What they're doing at the museum, and I think you were hitting on this a little, Brent, is not okay. It's great to see the cars, but there's so many jobs involved in the industry, and we need mechanics, and we need people to fix the machinery. And the museum is doing a great job promoting people to consider the automotive industry as a career, correct?
Absolutely. Our Ignite Academy is our flagship education program. It's for students 8th through 12th grade, and we're really building a pipeline to set these students up for lasting success while also helping solve the skilled labor shortage that we have right now.
Now, do you allow any of the cars that are currently in the museum out of the museum, or they're show ponies? They're not allowed outside, right? To participate in this?
None of our museum cars are going to participate this time around, but occasionally we take one or two out.
All right. And keeping it easy, keeping the throttle down. You want to just have a good time, correct?
Yeah, it's a good time, and the poker thing. And I will say, the $75 is on the low side. It's a very good deal.
Yeah. Come on.
And I am trying to find out what cards they are using because I would like to win. I never win at these poker rallies. I'm the first one there, but I never win. I don't know.
Well, I think it's a cool event. And the museum, if you've never been, is a cool museum. All the museums in Balboa Park are cool, but you know, as a gearhead, I told Lenny that I'm going to give him my car I have an '83 diesel that is in good condition. That upon my passing, it is my most prized possession that I'm going to give it to him. To let it live out its years in the museum.
Well, we appreciate that. We'd love to have it.
All right, it's in the will. It's already said and done.
Okay.
All right. Well, again, where do people go to sign up?
sdautomuseum.org/rally.
Got that? Hit it one more time, Caitlin.
sdautomuseum.org/rally.
And let's turn those 50 cars into 75.
That would be wonderful.
All right. We appreciate you both rolling in. After the break, we're going to